装锯片的时间算，反向你装哪个这个就是锯片旁边。
锯片拿一个过来，锯片拿一个过来。一个自己装。
啊，这个也是两个都自己装，没法装。这个没来写的。
那这个呢？那要不这个螺钉给它装上去？不需要啊，不要啊。那要不来个锯片装这个吧，一人一个啊，行吗？它是两个，不要两个。要不这个吧？这个稍微弄大一点也可以啊。
这个没用的，这个没用。
没有，就拿这两个好了。
而且很容易出的，这两台，就这两台，有两台啊。如果这个可以上瘾了，两个人一组啊，这气球能不能搞长一点？然后
搞多一点，还得在其他车都说搞完了有车啊。
那就在那里等，还是下一波啊？下一波再来嘛，那就下一次再来。那玩的头清新啊。想不想？已经开始了，弄头啊。好，那再来，弄头，你们戳5个，剩下的。
先往这边，先往这边。
就是我们站在你的后面，我们是一组，你弄好几个，我们接下来啊。不然这太短了呀，这游戏。啊，那气球拿来吹，大家一起吹吧。围着吹气球。
而且气球也不用这么规则，就是说。
这几天直播都变成达人主播了，但是潜力主播、达人主播、资深主播和荣耀主播嘛，我们已经变成达人主播了。今天不知道能不能变成资深主播。
他达人了，你们。
对他就是有这些粉丝啊什么这些要求。
是有人的新闻，人流量。
我
对，然后你看他是这样子的。
我是害怕的。
多少场直播？
气球叫我扎，我是不敢的，我敢。我怕的。
不是有这么胖吗？
那，你这了就是。
这还是炸的你那个。
谁来拿去捏？来。
其实不用捏了，就是摆上去好了。
不用捏吗？会到处跑嘞。
牵起来。
到处跑才有那个效果。
怕它爆炸。它小的时候吹大的时候更难吹。
本来就是啊。
只要大了以后就好吹。
能不能面对着我？
才有那个效果，都会就不好玩呀。
能不能面对着我？
应该肺活量很高的呀。
吹一个是吧？
面对着我吹气球。
现在已经开始了吗？
已经开始了呀。
先那。
TK 不要先开始。
啊
TK。
8个了。
啊，已经有8个人在看了。
我先玩最厉害一个，5个球，用5个球边上站另外一个，你先对着另外一个人，接着往后推。
没事，照着这么多机器也可以的，基本不让我们太难吃。
可以先随便浏览一下。
花絮，要不你就先照着机器的。
对，哎。
打磨机什么的。
都去嘛。
先找2个装这些东西厉害一点的。
我感觉是你要是天天做。
你们厉不厉害？
装这些东西装哪台机都厉害的。
这个开始直播了吧？帮我一下。
自己更好。
不是，那如果
那你说实里面，那个是刚刚进来的。
所以他先去练一下嘛。
吹气球特写。
多吹气球。
那这个你放这吧，然后我我是搬运工，我觉得你们能过来就行。过去谁？对呀，过去啊，我还要一个当搬运工。
我好傻。
我的搬运工。
那你跟大不能搬运工，70个的搬运工。
空气，是。
可以让我们看起来更熟悉。哦，我们是花絮，现在是花絮时间。对，我们现在都很紧啊，没有笔啊。
你要当这个是吧？
看这个溜的，这个小的。够了吧？完了，多吹几个啊！那天我本来要去扔那些垃圾的时候，我看到这个专门把它留下来。是吧？啊，对。拿过来了。
我看你们找人来。
刻意给留着。没赖，那个不好听，差不多了。刚才吹，
刚才吹气球，真的是够了吧？
好吧。
其实玩游戏的时候规则也不用说啊，是吧？
反正就是两组。 直接往。最后一个，红色的应该也有。
他这是进入直播间。
我们你应该听得懂了。看什么？看一人。
这个要弄什么游戏？哦，就弄哪里？
然后，不行。
不是，我直接放一边吧。
还有两张
啊。还有呢，在了。
我感觉他们也会觉得挺逗的，可能会看看。
那等会儿再玩嘛，你如果一局的话，
一轮2轮嘛。
那还在这里吹吗？4个人，
人
多热闹嘛！
你先4个人，
就弄了几个了？
啊？
又刚才又弄了几个？
弄了1个，
那就26个。那还是6个吧，要不？每个人？1、2、3、4个人，一组4个人是不是？一组4个人。一组4个人，慧敏他有时间上的吗？有时间上。
不是，那还几个气球呢？
我有点怕他抽气球，
而且这个我也怕，实在怕到时候。
太乱了。
对呀，太乱了。
那就最多4个人吧，那就2个，那或者4个人玩，中央一个接力，最多就这边接一个，然后这边接，那就1个人玩，那就2个人玩。
谁不怕？我害怕。
2男，我也害怕。
我也害怕。害怕的人，然后中间来到中间拿个这个东西去挡一下，帮他过。别玩，他都不知道全给我搞完了，后面的人都没得玩了。
就2个人吗
？2组人玩。
还要让他过吗？让他过那就接力吧。
就是2组人嘛。
接力，
比如说我给你过完期，然后
一人一队，1轮1边，反正最先他2个人怕。不是，他们2个男生抢到东西，我们在中间接力。你在中间，我跟你们在中间啊。
你在接力是吧？
我感觉我们接过你。你那个工具好难，那个什么？磨刀不砍。
现在感觉我们在过团建的感觉。
从这里开始啊，
从这里，谢谢，在后面一点。
王婷，你装这把，好像是装这个。
来3。
你开始了不是吧？
先等等。
妈的，我电池都没有。
你们2个前面
你们去先去抢，他俩去当水军。你们快点去当水军。
现在有2个人1个人拿。
所以你们快点去开吧。
等等啊！
去开呀！
知道怎么装吗？那个
他说没有电池包，
电池包先不要装了，
不要电池包了，不要电池包了呀，不要电池包手挂。
手动搓啊？
对呀，先别装那3好，你要装，等到时候一会儿再装。
练习一下，就这样。
那所以抢啊！
不要电池包。
所以来就抢呀！所以这2个机器拿走，这2个机器拿走，拿走呢？让他们这里烫啊！
让别人
万一他觉得这个没个他喜欢不是呢？对呀，
你不要把别人的决定权都直接控制。
是抢的呀，哪个我装的？抢的。
谁行呢？
这2个机器都不好
我们已经剧情了，已经定好了，他用那个。
那他们俩不知道做一下游戏呢？
对呀，他们会做游戏，做完游戏我再抢。
要不大家做一下。
我已经知道了。
你要说他们这样子就已经很累了，
这样子，还在那里装一下。
来，
我也喜欢那个。
我不知道该说什么。
哦，然后呢？
然后我说Rose，你不要搞艺人。
哦，你阻止了我摸索是吧？摸色是吧？
我加一个气球，加一个气球，你我错了，我俩去揍一下。
你这感觉怎么那么奇怪？
对呀，
这个环节不适合只有2个人。
电脑在吗？我的电脑连不上网。
在哪？1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8，5楼有网络的呀。
5个人了。
有啊。
有观众的吗？
有啊。
没有，不是家庭。
很傻，干嘛？
行不行？摸错了，我们就把其中一个气球固定掉，增加难度嘛。
拔起来破了。
这个是碰了就破了。
就是，
刚才把这个
我快把这破了，你不要让我搞。
有这么还有什么？没有，这个没什么难度的。
对啊，
我不知道，
你这个特权打屁股，
是还不如就
棍子已经准备好了，
要放你
这样就好了，这样就可以了。
还要
你那个塑料管打吗？你啊，那边不是很多塑料管吗？延长杆打吗？延长杆。
我知道，我看你家黑社会，你知道吗？黑社会。
这暴力倾向直接可以出现。
来，这边关起来，Are you ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Go. Hair, eye. Eye, nose. Nose, mouse.
我有钱。
那有人告
这是一边。
然后什么时候开始讲呢？
mouse 吗？我会说的。我等一下说到吐，你们就去拿呀，啊，好吧？
吐，你不要吐的。
讲完了，讲完了。
我都记不出来了。Mouse, eye. Eye, hair. Hair, arm.
好。
刚刚还问你们啊，你们说的。
Arm, foot. Foot, ear.
总干。
Ear, toe.
你知道怎么做吗？
知道重要的吗？
不是的，要自己摁住的。
我的电池呢？
不要电池啊！
没电池就没效果了。哎呀！
Wait, the game. The multi-tool is multiple.
其实要电池走不掉了。
没事，就这样回去。
一碰到就破了，这样还要搓一下。
我们顺便把这两台介绍掉呗。
不是同一个人，虽然不一样。
零一了，现在。再说一下吗？这个我们先开始介绍。这个要
不衔接一下吗？你就这样吗？要衔接一下。
要衔接，衔接啊。
啊。
是介绍 Auto Tools。
First, I'll talk about auto jaws first, and then we go to the polishing machine. Book please. I'm making a car routine. Using these 3 polishers. Look, my car so shiny. It's very heavy, right?
Yeah. Can you tell me how to use the 3 machines to polish your car?
Of course. Use rotary polisher first. It's a cordless rotary polisher, and the pad is 6-inch, and the spindle lock can change the pad easy. The side handle can use in the left and the right just in as you will. And the on and the switch. And the on and off switch, speed adjustment button and the LCD.
What about the LCD shows what?
The LCD display can show the speed level of the machine, and I can let you see the number of the LCD display shows the speed level of it. The unload speed is from 500 to 3,000 RPM, and then the slim and the soft handle can reduce the vibration. I can show how to use the machine in our cars.
Okay, that's great. So what about this one? The two look similar.
Yes, they have the similar appearance. The switch and the speed button and the LCD display is the same, but this machine is a lot dual action polisher with 15 millimeters orbital size, and the pad is 5-inch. It's more suitable for beginners and protect our car paint well. I will show how to use it.
Okay, so what about this one? The pad look like bigger than another two models, and have the ball handles look so different.
Yeah, the pad is obviously bigger than this one. This polisher is 10-inch, and the two-side handle and the left lightweight can make waxing. Mirror, just like a new one.
Okay, I attention the three. Here are three machines. Complete machine, right? And how configure the lithium batteries. How is the batteries work?
It can work about 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes.
So if I have two cars, so I need to configure two batteries at the same time as a replacement.
Yes, you are right.
So, but Daryl, I think if I pass through machine at once, I think it's too much time to buy the one machine and to change the different pads and in the different situation.
Okay. Our company has produced a new polisher. Here it is. It's a special polisher and can fit different pads that running both orbital action and rotary action.
Can you tell me how to use the pad?
Of course, first the pad is 7-inch and make the axis align with the hole in the middle, just like this. Press and lock it. That's done.
Okay, looks so easy. So what about the two pad? Same?
Yes, it's the same. It's become a lottery polisher and change the pen with. It's okay. It's become a orbital dual action polisher, and the orbital size is 15 millimeters. And this pad is 6 inch, and the orbital size is 15 millimeters too. The way to change.
Okay. Okay, it's so amazing. So I hear about that place order at during the exhibition can get a discount, right?
Yes, it's our clone fair now. So we have a discount before October 30, and your sample of polisher will be free before the clone fair is finished.
How much the discount can get?
The discount can be depended on again through the drafts. I'm so sorry.
Oh, 60 cents.
6%. Okay, if you place an order of polisher, you will get 6% discount of before October 30. And please contact us and at our WhatsApp. Our booth number is text. That's all. That's all my shoe.
How much? 60 cents.
Welcome, my colleague. At least she will introduce a new orbital machine.
Hello. Boys and girls, this is Alisa. Nice to see you again and again every day. I think if you are our old customer, you should know what products I will introduce. And before introduce, I will apply for the discount for you. Buy this game. I will do the dot first to apply for the discount. 8,
9,
I want 10,
7,
8. So final
7%.
8.
8.
Yeah, I think it's 8. Yes.
8. Oh, 8. Big 8. 8%. So if you place the order with the drywall sand I introduced, we will give the 8% discount for you. 8%. And the free sample is impossible. Free sample is possible if you add our WhatsApp and contact us before September the 30th. So hurry up, add our WhatsApp with the below phone number and send our emails. Or if you are in Germany, please come to our clown fair and visit our booth. Our booth number is here. 8%. 6. Now I will introduce the drywall sander. For this drywall sander, it is self-suction. It is self-suction because we have the patented self-suction fan. This is a patented design, and it's also with the suction adjustable wheel. You can adjust the suction according to your requirements, but we recommend you to keep the suction in the max state, so that you don't need to connect with the vacuum cleaner. And of course, if you want to connect with the vacuum cleaner, it is possible, but please let us know. We can send an additional adapter, the 47mm adapter with the order. And the motor of this machine is 820 watts. This is the powerful motor compared with the market. The other model in the market, usually the power is only 750 watts. This is the lock. This is the safety use switch. Slide to lock on and press to lock off. The variable speed from 600 to 1800 RPM. Also, the machine with a swivel head. The head angles can reach 120 degrees. Usually, you can see the market model is only 90 degrees. They will say the 90 degrees is easy for sending the selling, but in fact, you have to hold the head with this rubber ring, so that you can keep the head in 90 degrees and easy to send the corners. Easy to send the selling. And why our machine is the 120 degrees? Because it is more easy to send the lower place, the surface like this. Look. You can send in the surface as free. Also the height of this machine, because it is the unfoldable model, so the height of the machine can be reached from 1.1 meter to 1.9 meter if you connect with the extension tuber. In addition, we also have the foldable one in order to save the space and easy to carry the machine when you are working. So please let us know which model you want, and we will recommend to you your required one. Now I will introduce the pad details. This is the hook and loop sanding pad. It is easy to install a sanding paper. It is easy to sand the sanding paper, also easy to exchange it. And we also have the hard pad. The material of the pad is rubber, and for this one, the material of the pad is sponge. Most customers like this rubber pad because the lifetime is longer. Also, next, the LED light. This machine with 10-watt LED light. You will see now most of the machine have the LED light. But what's the difference between ours with the traditional one in the market? Firstly, it is a separate LED switch. You can see the highlight. You can see the light, the LED with highlight, but the light is soft, won't hurt your eyes. Actually, we have this design for many years ago, around 2016. At that time, we called it sand glow system, and we are the first one to make this design. The 360 degree rotatable round pad with the detachable segment. You can take the segment easily to sand the edge. But if you need to sand the corner, actually it is difficult. Now I will show. When you sand the corners, there are also some place you can't reach, you can't touch, you can't reach it. Okay, you see this part, it is difficult to reach it. Touch it. It is easy to sand the edges, but it is difficult to sand the corner, right? So if you want to sand the corner, we recommend the triangle one. This is the triangle pad. When you sand the corners, we recommend that you use the triangle pad sanding drywall sander. And the customer also will say it is no useful to divide by two machines and the price is not cheap. So we developed the pad exchangeable model. Both of these two machines are pad exchangeable with the triangle pad and the round pad in one machine. You can change it easily. And this is our traditional one. This is our new one. Do you know what's the difference between these two machines? And print your answers in the screen. We will choose the first correct answer to send the free sample. Now I will ask my colleague Hilbert and answer to show you how to change the pad. Here's the wrong pad. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Answer already changed it. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, now Hilbert is faster. But answer finish it first. No, it didn't. Okay. Now we found the Hilbert. The answer finished it first. Do you know why? I will let you know. This is the old systems. For the first step, when we change the pad, to change the pad, you should pull the button out and slide to this side to lock off the pad, and match these three pins with the machine to install the pad, and pull this button and lock on. It needs 3 steps if you change the old pad, and this is our new pad. If you just need to hook up these 2 pins and press the pad slightly, it's done. How is the feeling when you change the pad?
Difficult.
Yes, because the steps you have to make 3 steps, right? And how is the feeling?
It's really easy to change.
Yes. Yes. What's it? Thank you for have a rest. The big difference between these 2 systems is the new one is very friendly for the beginning user, but for the old system, it is also easy to train, but you need to practice it for many times. Sometimes because of the limited power, we are difficult to connect with the electric. So we developed the cordless one, battery driver center. Yes, it's here now. Both of these 2 models are cordless driver center, 18 volt cordless driver center with the brushless motor. Since the motor is brushless, so it is the weight of the machine is light, so you can operate it easily, and it's not heavy. You can control the machine in good balance. And this is the portable driver center with 2 motions. Adjust the motion, correct the motion by this comb. One motion is fine sanding and the other one is coarse sanding. It also has a lock on button. The speed from 600 to 900 RPM. It's also with the D handle. You can use it not only in left hand but also in left hand. The speed control knob, you adjust the speed by these 2 combs, and it also has LED light to show the speed level. You can see the LED light with your average speed. It is easy to see the speed. And the model is also self-suction, so you no need to connect with the vacuum cleaner.
Is it a brushless one?
Yes, I also already said it.
Okay.
Brushless motor. And this is our long version. This is also the brushless motor. So you can control the weight is light, and you can control the machine in one hand. The switch is same as the first model, just easy to operate it. The variable speed wheel with 7 settings.
1, 2, 3, 2 max. It's also with extension tube. You can connect with the extension tube, so the height of the machine can reach 1.9 meters or 1.65 meters. The long brush for good dust collection. When you send the sealing, don't forget to hold the rubber ring in this part to keep the machine in 90 degrees, so you can get the perfect surface easier with one hand. See?
Yeah.
Also, I am a girl. It is easy to use it.
You are a strong girl.
Yes, with much muscle. But if you want a perfect surface, we will recommend you our opto sander. Where is our opto sander? 7303。我看7303做对比了一下。Wait a moment, I will. Sorry, wait a moment. I have to search my machine.
Okay, next, Lisa will introduce you another our new product, the Auto Sander.
Before I, oh, okay, the machine is coming. Machine is coming. As I said, if you need a perfect surface, we recommend this machine, the Auto Stand, to you. Why I recommend this one? Because of the random orbital motions. Because the running motion is random orbital, so it can reduce the swivel patterns behind in the surface. You will see our model is similar with the Merca. So yes, the benchmarker. Merca is our benchmarker. So now I will compare these two machines with below items: the height, the weight, the motor power, speed, pad exchangeable, brake, pedal function, noise, LED light, and efficiency. Now, firstly, the height. We will camulate the cat first. Firstly, it's the length. The length first. Yeah. The length of our machine from the head to the cable holder is 28.5.
28.
28.5.
Body model?
Yes, body model is 28.5.
Okay.
And
Centimeters.
And the Merca model is 28 centimeters.
Yes.
The height of the height of the BURLEY models is from head to the pad is around 10.5
10.5. So the gravity is, I will check the Merca model. The pad does 10. The height of Merca is 10. So the gravity of these two machines
are similar.
similar.
Yeah, because the size between BURLEY model and the Mocha model is similar.
And the next is the weight.
Yes. The weight.
We can
Just a moment. Weight. Only the machine weight is
1.25 kilos. The BURLEY model is 1.25 and the Merca model is 1.09 kilos. The Merca is
lighter.
lighter.
Yeah. And the third one is the motor power. The Mocha model, the power is 350 watts.
And the BURLEY model is also 350 watts. Same. The motor power is same. The speed.
The speed is also right.
Yes.
Yes. Max
From-
to 10,000
Yes. RPM.
Yeah.
From 4,000 to 10,000 RPM.
Okay.
Pad exchangeable. Both of these machines can change the pad. It is easy to change the pad.
The difference is
For the BURLEY model, you can see the screw, and you can just change the pad by this Allen key.
Mocha
for the
model,
mo-
you need to put the wrench into the pad.
Spindle.
Yeah, into the
Spindle.
pad. Into the pad, and you need to find the shaft.
Sometimes it's difficult to find
Find
the
the place. Yeah.
Yes, the right place. You need keep the pad first. Hold the pad first. And
Okay. And this.
if you are good, maybe you need 2 persons to change the pad. But for BURLEY model, 1 person is enough. That's the
So all the 2 models can change it quite
Yes.
easily, right?
Yes.
But BURLEY may be more easy.
yes.
Yeah.
At 1 pass.
And the next
Brake.
is
Short brake.
part sort of brake.
Sort of brake.
What does it mean?
We will show you now what's the meaning of short brake. Short brake. Now let's start the machine at the first level, and we will start at the same time and stop at the same time. Please pay more attention on our pad. Like this way, okay? 3, 2, 1, start. And 3, 2, 1, stop. Now, do you see the difference?
So sort of brake means the pad can be stopped at once
Yes,
when
quickly.
you release the switch.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, so the sort of a brake,
The
when
brake
you
model,
half.
The BURLEY model is more fast to stop. At
Yes.
once.
BURLEY model has this function, but maybe Merca no have this function. Next, the pedal function. This pedal.
So both models have pedals.
Yes, firstly, both of models have the pedals, and the Merca model, if you press the pedal,
这个太迟了，温度太高了。
the pad
我已经是不
speed
给你
is
用了，还
adjustable. You can adjust the speed by this pedal. You can change the pad. You can adjust the speed by this pedal. And this is the BURLEY model. Please pay more attention on the pedal. Press more and press more. The speed is changed. So both of these two models have the has this pedal function. Now we will check the noise. Hello, Barry. May I use your phone to check the noise, please, machine?
Okay.
Let me start. Put your phone here and count the video. Now let's check the noise of Merca model first.
How much?
From 8.2 to 8.7. The BURLEY model is DP. And now check the BURLEY model. The BURLEY model is 8.2 to 8.4. It's similar. Now we will check the LED light. Yes, both of these machines have the LED light, but if you adjust firstly it is the power indicator. When you power on the machine, the LED light, and when you change the speed, the light will be turn red, then turn green. Actually, it is difficult to see which speed level is. You can just see the light is shine. And for the BURLEY model, it also have a LED light, and firstly it is the power indicate, and when you adjust the speed with this comb, it can show the speed level. It has the 7 speed levels. You can see the speed level clearly, more clearly. So BURLEY model have 1 plus, yes, 1 plus. Efficiency. Now we will check the efficiency. We will send the same wood at the same time.
This looks a little complicated. I don't know how to use it.
Yes. Oh. press this switch first and keep
Full power on.
yes
Power.
for power on. And if the speed in a minimal level, the light won't change. Which means it's in the max and in the minimal. And if you add the speed, you can see the light will be turned red. And if you add more, the light won't change. So it means you are in the max speed level.
It's so complicated.
Yes.
I feel confused. Confused.
Connect with the vacuum cleaner first. And 等一下，你的。Yes, because the vacuum cleaner is also modified, so it's okay. I will connect with our another vacuum cleaner. Yes, before we use the machine, please connect with the vacuum cleaner all the time, and it will give you a dust-free environment. You are in the minimal or max?
I don't know. So
Press it first. Oh, I think it's in the max level, and I will also change it in max level. And this is the line.
Okay.
We will use start at
Left
the same
is
time.
yours.
Yes,
Right
right
is
is
mine.
mine. Yes.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, start. I forget to install the sanding paper.
one more again.
One more again. We should use the same sanding paper.
The same grades, right?
No, different. This,
This
no,
is
a little different.
Yeah, this is 180 and this is 120.
Let's use the same.
Here, shake. 这个 This, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Install the sanding paper first, and it is easy to install it. It is the
So before you use, don't forget to install sanding papers. Cover it.
Oh, I forget to introduce one advantages because now I power off the machine and do you remember I make the speed in a max level? So when I power on again, the speed is also in the max speed level. It's
So-
with the speed memory function.
Okay.
Now
Does the machine has the power of protection?
yes.
Because it's very dangerous.
Yes, it happens when the heat gets the around 50, it will power off, right? 52.
Temperature protection.
Temperature, yes.
Okay.
Now let's start to sand it again.
Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
ready?
Go.
Okay. When I finish.
The vacuum clean.
The vacuum. Oh, you forget to
Connect to the vacuum cleaner.
No, open the vacuum cleaner. On the vacuum cleaner. So don't forget to power on the vacuum cleaner. Don't forget too much things. So I think the efficiency is almost similar. Oh. So about all in all, the result is similar. In some items, the release is with more plus, right? The BURLEY has 1, 2, 3 plus, and the Merca has 1 plus. But Merca is also the most popular in the market. I think my introduction is finished now. Now that my colleague Demi will introduce another new machine for you. Let's welcome.
Hello, guys. Welcome to BURLEY's live stream. How are you today? Today is a little hot here because we forget to open the conditioner. We forgot many things today. Okay. If you are our old customers, don't forget to pay attention to the brochures, and we will get you some new products our produced. And don't forget, if you are in Germany, go to visit our booth in Colombia. If you have any questions, contact our sales at our WhatsApp here or send emails to us. Okay. And also welcome the new friends. Today I will introduce you two powerful and efficient solutions for drywall contractors. You can see the two models in my hands. This one is the cordless brushless screw gun with the collated attachment, and this one is cut-out tool, also with brushless motor, and it is the cordless one. Okay, I will start with the screw gun first. As you can see, the screw gun, it with the compactor design with the soft grip, so if I am a girl, I can hold the machine very easily. Yes, it is very light. And here it has a lock-on switch. You can lock the switch on when you use it. And above the switch, it has a forward and a reverse level to adjust the rotation of the shaft. So you can screw in, and also you can make a screw out. Here it has a LED light. Here is a LED light, so it can make you to see more clearly in dark environment. And also here, it has a. And here it has a belt buckle. So when you don't use the machine, you can hang it in your belt. Okay. Now let's come to the collet attachment part. Here it is a lock button for the attachment. When you press the lock button, you can take the attachment off very easily. And this is the depth wheel to adjust the depth of the screws. With this wheel, you can get a perfect and consistent depth, depend on yourself. And now, can you see these marks? Can you see these marks in the machine? This marks means the screw capacity, the screw size of the collated screws. You can choose different screw size from 25 millimeter to 57 millimeters. Yes, and for this machine, our benchmark is dual model. So I'd like to show you the comparison between the two models. Yes, this is the yellow one is the dual model, and the red one is the BURLEY model. First, the length. You can see the length of the machine is similar, right? And dual model also have the local. Oh no! Oh, he has a safety lock here. Our switch can also use as a safety switch. When you put the forward and the reverse level at the middle, then the switch can be locked. And the lock button of the attachment, same. The wheel depth, the depth wheel, it is the same. And also the dual model has the marks. Also from 25 to 57 millimeters of the screws. So actually, it is very, very similar between BURLEY model and the dual model. And when you want to make the single structure of the screws, we can also change to the normal track to use as a single structure screw gun. Okay, now I will show you how to change the attachment to a normal single strut track. It is quick release and no need to use any other tools. Easy to lock the short magnetic drill bit, and then to lock the normal track. Okay, now it can be used as a single short screw gun. Okay, now I will show you I will ask my colleague Hubert and Anson to use the BURLEY model and the dual model to make some screws. Then you will find the different efficiency of the two screw guns, and let's see which one will be more faster and more efficiency. Okay. Hello, Anson. Hello, Hubert. Thanks for coming. So, Hubert will use the dual model, and Anson will use the BURLEY model. First, let me check the screw size. It is same. Yes, it should be same size. And now you have some time to adjust the screw by yourself. Okay. You can test the machine pressure and adjust the depth according to the plated screws. Okay. No. We need to. The screw is too long, so we need to.
Try first.
Yeah, try first to. So Hubert is ready now. Okay, have a try. Okay. Okay. So are you ready? 10 screws, okay?
Yes.
Only 10 is enough, okay? Ready?
Yes.
Go. Okay. What's wrong, Hubert? Why you made such bad screws? You are not a good worker. Yeah, you are not a good worker. You destroyed the DeWalt model, okay? It is not DeWalt's fault, it is Hubert's fault, okay? Yes, and see, yes, Anson is very professional and he make very perfect screws, and also you can check the depth is also similar. Yes. So if you only use a normal drill gun, you cannot get the perfect and consistent depth. But if you buy a professional screw gun to make the screws, you can get the perfect screws. Yes. And also, when you want to, when you use it for continuous charge, the attachment can lance the machine, and it will make it to touch to get sealing very easily. So the BURLEY model is also a very good machine, and it will and also it has a compactive price. Yes, so it's worth to buy. Okay, next I will introduce you another machine, the cut-out tool. It comes with the slim body and the brushless motor, which makes the life longer and no need to change the carbon brush. Also, for all of our brushless cordless models, it has the protection technology like soft start, the overload protection, overcurrent protection, and overcharge protection. And come back to the cut-out tool. it has a push switch. No need to lock. Only push, release, and you can turn on and off the machine. Also, here it has a soft grip to make you to hold the machine and feel more comfortable. Also, it has a LED light to make you see clearly in the dark environment. Here it has a depth wheel to adjust the depth of the machine. And the one thing I need to mention is quick release function for the machines. For this machine, we in the market only it seems only the one model they have the quick release function, and in order to get the quick release function, and the world also have a patent of it, so we make many research, and our engineer thinks about a lot of method to solve it. So finally we get this cutout tool, and also with a quick release function. Now I will show you how to use it without a tool. Okay. First, see here it has a sleeve. You need to take the sleeve out by rotate the sleeve to take it out first. Then push the shaft lock. Then turn. Then release the sleeve. Now you can get a drill bit. And the same way to tighten it is to press the shaft lock to lock the shaft, and rotate the sleeve to tighten the drill bit. Okay, now the drill bit locked. And don't forget, before you use it, you have to reset the sleeve in place before you use it. This is very important. Okay. Okay, the machine is very simple, and you can see the shape, and here it seems like a smile, right? Like a face. So it's very happy to use this tool. It always smiles to me, so I feel very happy to get this tool. Okay, now I still want to show you how to use the slim compactor tool to cut the drywall easily. The tool is very light. It is only 1 kilo. So very useful, and I think it's girl's tool. Every girl should have this tool. Okay, Anson, can you help me to cut a drywall?
过来，不是灰。有一点吗？
Okay for you?
对啊。
Because of too many dust, we only show a little. And if you are still interested in of these tools, you can buy one and to have a try by yourself. Okay. Okay, the introduction of the two powerful drywall tools is all. And next, I will invite my colleague Kiki to talk about some other machines. And before Kiki come, I will get a discount and play a small game for you to get a discount for these two machines. Okay. Okay, let me try. Can I get 10? Yes, you can.
We trust
Go
you.
the last me, okay.
Oh, 5.
7. Okay, 7 cents. Okay, so if you place the orders of these two drywall tools before October 13th, you can get how much? 7. Okay, you can get a 7% discount for the new orders. Okay, and if you have any other questions, don't forget to add our WhatsApp to get more information. Okay. Okay. Next, Kiki. Okay, welcome, Kiki. See you. Little.
See you then.
I will see you soon.
Okay, I'm ready. And first today, I am try to get a discount for you. Okay, I have 3 chance to through the dart and get a discount. Wow. 5 cents discount. Great. Okay, I will choose the big one as the 9% discount. 9%. Okay, 9%. Maybe I'll big one yes today. So next I will introduce our mixers. If you place the order for mixers, which at our MOQ, and you will get the 9% discount. Okay. Hello everyone, I'm KK. Welcome to BURLEY Tools live show. See you at a third time. And now we'll to introduce our mixers again. Okay. As we all know, in our daily house decorations, the mixer is a very common use of the machines. Therefore, the mixer is constantly updated with the development of the times. Until today, the mixer is now suitable use for habit and easy to use and improve the working efficiency. You can follow me through some of the machines currently on the market. In order to meeting different customers, we produce a number of economic models, just like this one. You can see this one. And the power tops out at 1,400 watts. So they are reach the relative cheap and low power. So this kind of machine suitable for the DIY user. And day by day, according to different power need, we produce upgraded the machine power gone from the 1,400 watts to the 1,800 watts or 2,100 watts. So you can see just like this one. This kind of machine can reach that the professional level, and we also upgraded the handle to the metal handle. But also machine handle, we made the rubber with the soft wrapping to ensure the working comfort. And you can see on the machine, we made the speed control knob. We both have a door and a single speed to adapt to different speed needs. And due to the particularity of the work, and the mixers always used in the early stage decoration or outdoor operations. So sometimes the electricity is a tricky problem. So take that into account. We produced a number machine with the lithium batteries. Like this one is our battery, and if you have hours needed, you can configure 2 batteries at the same time as a replacement. So the operation will not be restricted by the region. And about this kind of machine, we also use the brushless motor and prolong the service life of the machine. Okay, the next I will set up the machine. Please, my colleague Alisa.
Yes, Alisa is coming.
Okay, we will start to installation the machine at the same time.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start.
I'll try my best.
I'm done. Look at Alisa. She's still set up the machine.
Yes, I have to
Okay, be
tighten.
careful.
Okay.
Are you finished?
Done. Yes, finished.
Okay, thank you, Alisa.
You're welcome.
Okay, maybe you are so curious about why I'm so faster than Alisa. Okay, next I will introduce this one. This one I'm holding in my hand is our quick release structure. And if you set up the machine, you only need to put the end of the pedal to the mounting structure. It's down and very stable. And push it down. You can easily to put the pedal out. And this structure can match the hex and M14 by the one structure. So according to the setup between I and the Alisa, you can realize maybe the normal installation here is relatively slow, and this structure is quickly than another one. So this quick reading structure will greatly improve the working efficiency. Okay, next I will feed my colleague Anson and Gilbert to practice the machine.
两头一起教，今天走后面走，我走后面。
Okay, you can see there have 2 same bucket of water. And Anson will use the impact drill, and Gilbert will use our lithium batteries mixers. They will to mix the water at the same time. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay. Okay, we can say Anson uses the impact drill to make the water is splashing so badly, but the mixer to make the water is very even. Okay, thank you, Anson and Hugo. Okay, I know until today maybe somebody still uses the impact drill or the low speed drill to mix something, for example, the cement mortar or the water. And through the actual operation today, maybe we clearly realize that the professional things means the professional machine. So the mixer is a very good. So that's all. If you want to know any other details or the information about our mixers, please add our website and contact us. So if you place the order which has the MOQ during the exhibition, you can get 10% discount. Okay, I'm done. Please say colleague Lisa.
Yes.
To introduce another machine for you.
Okay, it's my turn. Before to introduce our tools, let's first throw the darts to get the biggest discount for you. Five.
Wow.
7. 10. 7%. Wait a moment. Okay. Welcome to our BURLEY Live. I'm Lisa. As usual, how are you, our BURLEY old and new friends? I hope all of you are totally fine. Thank you for my colleagues have given you the marvelous live show. They have introduced the new driver standard mixers, cordless rivet gun cut of 2 mixers, and polisher. And today my part is to introduce the cutting tools. Our older customers know we have a whole series of cutting tools like chop saw, marble cutter, concrete saw, a band saw base, and oscillation multi-tool. The cordless tool is more and more popular. You know, it's extremely convenient to use and carry. And when you use them, there is no much to limits. These models, we call it band saw. They have the same function like chop saw, but it's more safe to use with no sparky when cutting, with the better cutting surface, with the higher cutting efficiency. It can not only cut the metal like chop saw, but also they can cut the PVC and wood. Before to approve what I said, let's introduce their the technical information for this model. It's happening BRA 2104. Yes. I have write other related information here. For this big model, we designed it with 18-volt battery platform. It also has the LED light. LED light here. I can show for you. LED light. And the max capacity is 5 inch. The speed, various speed is from 0 to 2 meters per second. There are 3 positions for this auxiliary handle. We usually use this one it's more often when cutting, and this position can also use like this as a standard. Yes. For this lever, we turn left and right to install the saw blades. It's designed with the lock-off switch. When you squeeze the switch, the saw blade starts to rotate, and when you release it, the saw blade stops to run. Okay, this one. For another one. This mini band saw is our model BW2110. It's also 18 volt. It also have the LED light, like the big one. And the max cutting capacity is 2.5 inch. What's more, it's brushless motor with the longer lifetime, low noise, and it's very lightweight. It allows the overhead cut like this. Also, there is a hook. You can walk around the job site like this. Then, to approve what I said, I invite my colleague to cut for you. First, the test is to compare with Mario. Yeah. Let's cut for you. Baby, 你今天开始弄吗 ？OK。干嘛？来。不是，你要拍照吗？你要什么 ？Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
你好像不会人类。
Let's see.
找镜头。
Oh, the camera is narrow. Okay.
是吧？
Okay. Ready? Stop. Please. Stop.
Oh, sorry.
想拿不出来了。
Wait a moment. You can see the cut hole is narrow. For this model, the cut hole is very wide, so the steel pipe is waste a lot. So please continue. Okay. Smooth cutting surface, no burrs, no sparky. With too much sparky, it's very dangerous. Okay, so if you have interest in these two models, we will give you the 7% discount. Please add our WhatsApp to check the details. Okay, next one. Thank you. This is the third model. We call it oscillation multi-tool. In our China, people call it 万用宝. This means it has 10,000 ways to use. Of course, it's an exaggeration, but when you change the different saw blades, it can reach this goal. Like the paint removal, tile grout removal, or the dried wood glue removal, sanding, cutting the driver, cutting the pipe, plastic pipe, and sanding. Before working on these materials, let's first see its technical information. Okay. This model is also 18-volt platform battery. It also have an LED light. Let me show for you. The dark area and help the user to see the cutting surface more clear. And the selling point of this model is the quick change system. Later, I will ask my colleague to show for you. The speed of there is variable speed with 6 settings. The speed can be adjusted from the 5,000 to 18,000 RPM. The oscillation angle is 3 degrees. So let's invite my colleague to try for us. Let's try to use one by one of the accessories. We usually come with these accessories. Yes, cut nails. David, cut nails. Yeah.
Wait. Okay.
Cut nails. Finish. It looks very easy. And cut driver. Huh? Okay. Cut on driver and change another saw blade. Okay. Cut the grout from the marble and cut the dried wood glue. Okay, it's a scraper's usage. Change another triangle pad to send it for us. AG Semi. Wow, amazing! Armenian too can do so much work. So I think it's household necessities. So that's my today's 3 cutting tools introduction. If you are in Germany, please go to our booth number to visit us. Our polygon is there waiting for you. And if you are not in Germany, please add our WhatsApp. If you want the sample to test before September 30, it will be free for you. And if you place the order before October 30, so this discount will be for you. Don't forget to contact with us. So next is my colleague Danny to introduce the other new products. Welcome, Danny.
Hello, see you again. Lisa and I will introduce you another 3 different special tools for different application.
First, please let's get the discount for our.
Okay, first. First, before we start, we will get a discount for the 3 new model machines. And if you place the order before October 13th for these 3 new machines, what discount I get and what discount we can provide it to you. Okay.
Now, let's try to get the discount first.
Yes. You wish me to get a
10
good score. 10 and
10.
I don't believe I can get.
Please give
Get
me
a
one.
chance. Okay.
One chance.
Totally we have 3 chances.
可以多少人路过？
Oh,
Looks again. Now
Yes.
I'm the last
就
chance.
这里看，这个没怎么变化。 Sorry,
Vera?
no discount.
No discounts. Oh, it's disappointed. Try again.
Boss, can you give me one more chance?
Of course.
Okay.
We have
Okay,
to do the
my boss.
best service to our customer.
My boss give me another chance. I hope I can get a good discount for
It's
you.
your last chance.
If I can't get any discount,
She will give Lisa more chance. I hope.
oh,
Oh, again. So,
okay.
4%.
Better than
Zero.
Yeah. Okay, for discount for these 3 new models. Yes, first I'd like to introduce you about the ribbon gun. It comes with a brushless motor and no need to change camera brush to make the machine more powerful and more durable. Yeah, and Yes, as you see, all of our machine has soft grade. Yes. So we really good for the users. We make soft grade for all the machines.
Make the economic design.
Yeah. And this is the one finger switch to help you to press the machine easily and to make the machine works very easy.
Yes.
And here it has a single switch for the LED light. So when you press the switch, you can turn the light on and off.
What's this?
This?
Yes.
This is the nose piece for which to connect the rivets. And we have totally 4 sizes of the nose piece. And the nose piece can connect to different different materials, aluminum and also the iron material. And for aluminum, it can use the master. And for aluminum, it can use to 6.0 rivets. And for iron, it can be 5.0 millimeters.
From 2.4.
Yeah.
Starts.
Yeah, starts from 2.4 millimeters. And do you know the power, the pulling force of the machine? Pulling force.
Let me check first.
Yeah.
I saw the space in a 2,000 or 20,000.
20,000 Newton. So it is very powerful.
Yes, the
Yeah.
torque is very.
And the length of the stroke here is 25 millimeters. So it can make the different size rivets in one time. And also, do you know what's this?
Nail container.
Yes, but not only nail containers. It is also can used as a wrench. See here.
Yeah, sure.
Here, it is it can also use as a wrench to
Change the nail.
change the nose piece. Yeah, change the nose piece to different size, and also a nail container to collect the rivet bodies. Okay,
What's this?
this is a hook. Yes, so you can hang the machine. And this is a belt buckle. Yes.
What's the using time with this battery?
The using time of the battery,
Around?
I'm not sure. Sorry. So now I will show you how to use the rivet gun to make a rivet. It is very easy to operate.
Yes.
See, the rivet spot come into the containers automatically.
Try again. And
Would you like to have a try?
yes.
Okay.
It is very easy to control it, and the nail will back to the container.
Yeah.
And let's check the surface of these nails.
Yes.
It is smooth.
Yes, no burns.
Yes.
Well done. Yeah. So,
Thank you.
so this machine helps you to work well. Okay. Okay. Now, so next I will invite Lisa to talk about another 2 machines.
These two. This is our new model of drum polisher, and also some customers call it 1-inch polisher, and some customers call it renovator. So it is
Yes.
maybe it is multi-function application for the machines. Now, compare with the traditional one traditional one in the market. Our design is in one line design.
One line design.
Yes, you know
What is
mean?
one line design?
It means the brushes, the motor, the handle in one line.
Yes, it is straight.
Yes.
Seems like a line, right?
Yes, different with the market model. They also the offset design.
What's the difference between these two models?
This one is corded with the cord, and
Yes.
this one is cordless with brushless motor. So this
brushless motor.
no need to change the brushes. But
Yeah.
for this one, this is brush one. We have to change the brushes, but it is
Five
Five.
channel, right?
yes, and it is easy to open it and change the carbon brush.
Okay.
Another difference between these two machines is the size. You can see the size is totally different. Firstly, the brush size. This is 120 millimeters, and this one is 100 millimeters.
And I saw the switch for
Yes.
all of this machine. This is lock-on switch. How about that one?
This one also has a lock-on switch. I press this big trigger
Yes.
and then press this to lock on.
Yes, let me check.
Okay.
No.
No, it is done.
Okay. Done. But this one is easy to lock.
But this one, the trigger is bigger, so it is comfortable for the trainer use.
Okay.
The variable speed, both of these two machines has a variable speed, and the speed level is 6 settings.
630 and
Yes.
from 900
From
to
this one is from 900 to 3700 RPM, and this cordless one is from 0 to 3700 RPM.
okay.
Also, the difference with two machines is this bigger one, this corded one, can connect with the vacuum cleaner, so you can get
That's
dust
nice.
free
That's nice environment.
dust free
Okay.
environment. But this one, you can adjust the angle, the head angle. Release the button first and adjust the angle.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, it is very
Yeah.
convenient for send the
Vertical.
yes
Center
send-
on a vertical
yes
surface.
variable angles.
And this machine is very nice for girls.
Yes, for ladies, because the body is very slim. Now you can see the different wheels in these two machines, because both of these machines can connect with install the different brushes. This is the steel,
This is the
brass,
brass. Yes.
brass.
Brass.
and
brush.
this is nylon.
No, this is a flat. Yeah, this is a flat brush. And also we can use another different brushes, like the nylon brush. It is used for big area cleaning. And this one is the flap wheel sanding brush. This one.
Yes.
It is perfect for removing the paint, scale, oxidation, or rust. And it can also be used for metal and wood.
Yes, it is.
And also here, these two machines can also be used for synthetic brush for polishing and buffing use. And usually the synthetic brush is used with the brass brush. And also here it is the silicone coverage brush, recommended to use ultra strong stripping flat metal and surface or preparation before welding. And the last one is a counter brush. It is furnishing the furniture and marble or painted metals. Yeah. So besides of these brushes, you can also buy different brushes from the market. Yes.
Now, we will ask my colleague Hubert to show you how to use this machine.
Yes, we will show you
With this big coated
with
one.
the brush to remove the rust. Okay. Before you use, you can connect the machine with vacuum cleaner. So to make a dustless environment. Yes.
Environment.
Please help to open the vacuum cleaner. See the different settings after polishing, the rust has been removed.
Okay.
So it is very powerful and efficient to use the machine to remove rust. Okay. Okay, so don't forget, if you like the machines, don't forget to place orders before October 13th. And if you have any other questions, contact us at our WhatsApp and send us emails. Yes, we will give you a 4% discount if you place the orders before October 13th.
Next.
Next, who will the next? Lisa.
Answer will.
Okay, next, Lisa will come again to introduce you some other special and new and powerful tools.
As you forget, I should first to through the dart to get the biggest discount for you. So let me. Three times. First.
Wow.
Nine. 9%.
Oh, 8 or 9.
8 or 9. Okay. 9. 8 is more than 9, so it's 8. Eight is more than 9. Yeah.
他的意思是
You want to give them. Okay.
both want to give 9.
I know. So we change 9. Okay.
Oh,
You want to remove.
yeah.
8 want to leave it here. So the rest of the machine I will recommend. If you have interest and place the order, you will get 8% discount. So let's start. Hey Anthony, what are you doing?
I'm going to grease my truck. There's many trucks and only one hand tools make me so tired.
Tired. Yes, I see. So that's why I'm here. Surprise! A new cordless grease gun for you.
Whoa, you are so kind.
Yes, sure.
Could you tell me how to use it? How to use this?
Yes, let's study together. Yes, here is. This tool is designed with the 18-volt battery platform. Also, this model has a LED light. The max working pressure is 10,000 psi, and the tuber the volume is 550 milliliters. The length of the hose is about 110 centimeters. It with the fast output. Later we will test it. We will approve it for you. For this model, also we designed with the lock-on button. When you use it, you should press the button like this and lock it. So when you work on the whole truck, you can release your hands, and which can reduce your fatigue greatly. There is a usage tips. During the work you want to go to the washroom or smoke, you must put the button this position. So the trigger is locked, which you can avoid the accidental injuries, and it can also save your grease. And for this, these 2 points like a stanner, so it can keep the machine off the ground. Do you like it?
Yes.
You want to use it now?
Can I use it on my truck now?
No? Be patient, young man. I need your help. I want to make a competition test with another brand. It's top brand, what? We will compare these two models from the brand with ergonomic LED light, hose length, grease output, and max PSI. So let's test one by one. Remove the battery. Low battery. Let's try. Let's hurry up. BURLEY is 3.54 kilos, and the wall is 3.9 kilos. Thank you.
Welcome.
I thank you the Chen. For the ergonomic, both models also have the soft grip. They are all ergonomic. So the wall, yes. BURLEY, yes. For the LED light, there is the BURLEY's LED light. For the wall, here is LED light. So yes. For the hose length, BURLEY's how much?
100.
100 centimeters. For the wall, 87, 87 centimeters. So it's about the grease output. We give two models 10 seconds. Let's see the output. Let's try first. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Go.
Ready?
Ready.
Go.
Go.
Okay? So let's wait. It looks almost the same. It's 20.4 for the body. 43. 43. We don't have the equipment to measure the max working pressure. So from the hose, we can see body has the 10,000 psi, the working efficient pressure. And for the DeWalt, the nameplate also show the same working pressure. So from the sheet, we can see both for the weight, DeWalt is a little heavy than BURLEY. Both models are all ergonomic and have the LED lights. For the hose length, For the hose length, BURLEY is longer than DeWalt. For the grease output, BURLEY is more faster than DeWalt. And for the max PSI working pressure, both models are same. So now you have a general idea about our BURLEY model. Do you like it?
Great machine.
Yes, thank you.
Can I use it now?
Absolutely yes. For this model, the certificates are on the applying. It will be available at the end of October. Do you like it? If you like it, please go to our Bloom Fair to check it and use it by yourself. And if you are not in Germany, please add our WhatsApp to check details. This model is usually in engineering, equipment, machinery, steamboat, car, truck, tractors, so it's very useful. You can earn a lot of money from it. Hurry up and contact with us. My last machine is this. My last machine is this one. Somebody says it looks like electric polishing. Yes. And some other says it looks like a big angle grinder. But from the technical information, the power is 1,500 watts, and the speed, the six setting speed, is from the 1,000 to 8,500 RPM. It comes with the diamond saw blade. The most important is it comes with a dust hose, which can offer a dustless working environment. It can protect our health. It's very important. So let's invite my colleague to try this machine for you. First is connect with the vacuum cleaner. Then press the trigger to try the machine. What's wrong? Let's try. And try and adjust trigger. Use the trigger and adjust the speed to the suitable speed which you will use. 你可以抛的时候调整一下，调整一下这种想要的。From the sanding surface, you can see it's very obviously they're rough and smooth. So from the use, you can see it's very easy to use. Press the trigger, lock it, and adjust the various speed dial. The most important is the dustless working environment can protect our health. So we recommend the professional tools to make the professional projects. Contact us. For this model, also we have applied the CE, the GS, and the EMC certificates, so you can purchase them with confidence. So guys, that's all today about our live show. That's all the new tools our BURLEY recommends this year. Thank you very much for this 3 days your time. Later I will invite our manager to have a conclusion, have a general introduction about our BURLEY tools. Thank you.
old friends and the new friends. It's really a wonderful day today. There are so many new products. There are so many new products introduced. Which one do you like? Frankly speaking, I love all. And wish you can, if you have time, please go to our booth in Cologne, Germany, and to touch the sample and to check the sample whether it's as good as you expected. Or if you are unable to visit us, you can contact us by email or at our WhatsApp or other communication way. You are always welcome to ask any questions to us. We are always ready to do that, to try our best to offer you the best service. Okay, so I think the last thing I'd like to repeat and to remind you is about our company and our products. I'd like to go through our sample room again with you, together with Danny, and maybe Danny also have some questions to represent you to ask me.
Yeah.
Hi, Danny.
Hello, Jessie.
Yeah. So for driver center, do you have any questions?
Yes. Because as you know, today our live show there may be some new friends will visit the live room, right?
Yeah, sure.
So some of them may don't know what's a driver center, and usually we can find in the market. They also have some driver center. The motor is at the
You mean
Yes.
this position,
Yes.
like this position?
Yes, but not at the front. But I saw all of our models. The motor is here.
Yes.
That's why. Any
Why?
difference?
Okay, it's a very good question.
Yeah.
You know why we? Yes, it's the truth that in the market there are some driver centers with motors similar like here this position,
Yeah.
and ours motor is in front.
Yes. Because I think because usually when I use the driver center, the head is right is in the front, and if remote here, the machine is a little heavy for me. So if remote in this position, I think it will be lighter. But why all of our machines, the motor is here?
Yeah, I think many people have similar or same opinion as you do, because you know we are the first factory that produce the gear-driven system. A gear-driven system means the motor is here and they use the gear and the shaft to transit the speed directly. If the motor is on this position, it means they use a soft shaft to transit the speed.
Yeah.
And when we bring this kind of machine in the market, we are always be asked that why we do it like this way. It's very heavy, it's not convenient, right? However, in the recent years, actually, it's more and more popular for the people to accept this kind of idea. Any new driver centers or other factories that who may follow us, and frankly speaking, they follow us the similar structure. And actually, for the user, when they don't have this kind of machine, there is no comparison, and then they think maybe it's not convenient. But when they use it, especially when they send the wall and they will touch it, because the weight is not 100% on your hand.
Oh.
Actually, there are some weights already on the wall, so you don't feel it really heavy as they expected.
Okay.
And on the other hand, frankly speaking, you are right. When you are send the ceiling, especially you send the ceiling, if you have to keep it like this way, it's not so easy. It's heavy. It's the truth. However, we have solution to solve this problem, issues that the user concerns. Whether we have sample here, we have not here. Yeah, we have sample. Similar like this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have an additional accessory that to help the machine to keep the hand vertical. You don't need to keep it by your hand, but we have an accessory that you can hold this one, right? Okay. So it helps a lot and it's quite easy to hold it.
So you mean
Yep. Not so easy, this one.
like,
Anyway, I mean similar conception because we have accessory and to keep the head vertical, and you don't need to.
just now Alisa showed me. So I know
At least I
it's
showed
okay.
you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This factory to make the machine vertical. Yeah.
So
And no
it's
vibration.
very But by this way, it's
Not
very
so much.
quite acceptable when you send the thing, right? Anyway, in the world, it's more and more popular, and it's a kind of fashion that to produce the drywall sander with the gear-driven system like we do.
So now the gear drift at the head is more popular now.
Not really popular, yes.
And I saw there are many models, different models. What's the difference? Are they same factory or different factories?
Okay, you are a very professional visitor. Yeah, we have different models, and it's drywall sander, steel drywall sander,
Yeah.
but actually different structures and different maybe performance and
this
making
one.
only.
This
Yeah.
one is
Triangle one.
Yes. I think just now, Alisa also introduced our triangle pad and round pad interchangeable system, right?
Yes.
It's quite easy and very high efficiency to change it and to use it. It's very popular recent years.
Why we have so many factories?
Why? Because the user, there is demand, there's market there.
Oh, okay.
Many people come to us say, hey, whether you can do this or you can do that. Yeah, we are thinking about that, and yes, of course, we can do it. That's why there are so many drywall standards here.
So our customer, the customer of BURLEY must be very satisfied with our contributions.
Yeah, because we are always appreciate if any customer can give us some feedbacks about our products. It's a kind of a challenge for us.
How about this one?
These are also drywall sanders, but looks different, right?
Yeah.
Compared
Quite
to-
different.
Quite different, yes. This is quite short version, and with self-suction power.
Okay.
It means, for that long version drywall sander, and usually you have to connect to the vacuum cleaner. But for these models, and you can connect to the dust bag with the hose and the dust bag directly. You don't need to connect to an additional vacuum cleaner. This is self-suction.
So how about the long handle one? Does it come with the suction factory?
At the very beginning, all the models you have to connect to the vacuum cleaner. By recent years, because more and more demands for the long version one, also with the self-suction, and we have several models. Alisa introduced it to your customer.
Yes. She introduced the cordless one.
Cordless
Cordless one
one.
have a suction factory. Yeah.
Besides the cordless one, we also have a corded one with suction power and a long version. Because it's a short, it's quite good. There's no need to connect to the vacuum cleaner. But the disadvantage is that if you send the high wall, because it's a short handle,
Yeah.
so you need to rely on a ladder or something assistant so that you are able to send the high wall. It's not so convenient. But for the narrow places, because it's you only need a narrow place to send, and this one is much more convenient. So there's disadvantage and advantage. Here you see, these are the mixers.
Okay. So many products.
So many, yes,
Yeah.
different types.
Yeah. And this is the two handle, and that one is a drill mixer.
Yes, drill mixer, low speed drill mixer. Looks like a drill, but it's a mixer.
Okay. Can we use it as a drill too?
Yeah, you can use it as a drill.
But the speed compared to the normal drill, the speed is much lower.
Okay.
Because their main purpose is to use it as a mixer.
Okay.
Because when you mix something, it's very formally very sticky, and you need the machine to be with very high torque. If the speed is very high and the torque actually is not enough, so that's why to be a mixer, to be a super mixer, looks like the drill should be low speed.
But I think the two-hand one must be powerful than the drill mixer, right?
Yeah, of course, you are right.
Do we have a cordless one?
Cordless one, yes. We don't put it here, but it's over there.
Okay, I see.
Kiki recommend you just now our cordless mixer.
Yeah.
Actually, cordless product is a trend for every power tools, you know.
Yeah.
And besides cordless mixers, for drywall sander we also have cordless one.
Yes, Lisa told me that.
Okay. And these are very popular. Recent years, these ranges are very popular.
Oh, this is iron handle.
Yes, it's very strong for strong man, for
Very
professional
Okay.
users.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the paddles for mixer.
Yes, different types paddles for mixers. And polishers, also our key product. Besides mixers and drywall sanders, polishers, car detailing related products are also one of our core products. We invest a lot each year for this kind of machine.
And cutting tools.
Yeah, cutting tools. You are professional. You know everything. I don't need to introduce. Do you have any question about our cutting tools?
What's this?
It's wall chaser. You can have three blades together, and then you can open the slot on the wall at one time.
Okay.
If you use an angle grinder or some other tools, you have to do it.
Many times.
Yes, at least 3 times. You have to have 2 slots, and then you have a hammer to break it.
So this one is more convenient.
Yeah, very high
Yes.
efficiency. And then these are our cordless ranges more and more. Besides mixers, drywall sanders, we have a rivet gun, mulch tool, different types of polishers, and some other uncommon but very beautiful products. I believe there should be one you are interested. If any item interests you, please feel free to contact us.
Oh, what's this?
This is a cordless auger. Auger, yeah.
Similar like mixer.
Looks like similar, but actually different.
Okay.
So this is used to, if you have a small garden or what, you have to drill a hole on the ground and then to plant the trees or.
Okay. What's this?
garden.
This is also a special tool.
Yeah, it's a caulking gun. Similar like that grease gun, if you do some caulking work by hand, it's very hard and it wastes a lot of time. Time is money, you know. If
So BURLEY always
You need
help
to have
users
this
to
one.
save money and time.
yes, to save time, to save money, time is money.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
I know a lot of information today.
Okay, yeah. So hi guys, I believe you should understand us more, and you have a lot of new product information already. If you need to know the details, please send us email or contact about WeChat or WhatsApp or anything. Anything that you can connect to us, we are always ready to help you find the solutions. Okay, goodbye. Okay.
Okay.
So that's all for today's new product. We have to say goodbye.
Yeah, we have to say goodbye and
Yeah.
maybe we will notice you if we have another lecture.
Yeah, we will meet again. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.
休息一下吧。